As I move it, it adjusts the measurement. Today we're going to be taking a look at my favorite little tool, the Bosch GLM50C professional laser. So we'll roll through the functions, and there's all different kinds. This is real-time shooting. You've got an area, volume. So, if you're trying to figure out, let's say concrete, you could shoot your wall, your floor. You've got a small little level. You're basically trying to line up the little dot in the center, and that's how you get your level. Or turn it on its side, and then you'll get the degrees. So this table's 1.7 degrees, and then you can turn it like this. So if you're doing roof work or railings, things like that, anything that requires angles, you can kind of figure stuff out. If you're trying to do indirect shot, that helps out a lot. You've got wall area, so if you're trying to figure out paint or drywall, any kind of coverings. And then stakeout, which is pretty handy. We use this if you're trying to figure out where to put fence posts, or if we're trying to figure out spacings for beams or something like that. This is really handy to use. You've got memory in here, your overall length, and then real time. So if you go to real time, that means the laser's on. It's on my hand right now. So we're 9 inches and 30 seconds. So as I move it, it adjusts the measurement. So that's real time. Okay, you don't have to press any buttons. And then we've got length. You might use this, let's say if you're doing, let's say trim, like baseboards. You would take your measurement, and we'll go right there. And it also shows the level line too, so you can tell if you're a little bit out of level or not. So we'd shoot this first one. So that's 10 inches, and it's gonna save it in the memory. So then we're gonna shoot another measurement, and that's 1 foot, and some other numbers. And it saves all these measurements for you, so then you can go just do your cut list, and away you go. You gotta have it if you're into renovations or building. These are so handy to have.